As part of a joint venture between SignForce and Ashanti Project Management, SignForce manufactured and installed the Haval pylon for Haval Witbank, together with manufacturing and installing the wall cladding for the front and side of the dealership. This video shows the process from the sign being loaded at SignForce's premises in Johannesburg to it being decorated and installed onto the existing base in Witbank. The 6.5 meter high by 2 meter wide freestanding vertical pylon has an inner frame and it's clad with a separate subframe. The letters, which are supplied by Haval, are internally illuminated, with the transformers being housed at the bottom of the pylon. The wall cladding consists of the same composite material as the pylon, with each section being engineered so to get the bends and fixings correct. If you are in the market to give your shop front or building a cladding facelift, or you are looking for a pylon or any other signage, anything that assists with your marketing campaign and makes your business visible, contact SignForce now on +27 011 440 7525 or email info@signforce.co.za. You can also find SignForce at www.signforce.co.za.